Hello, unicorns! Welcome back to my channel. And if you cannot tell, I'm so excited for today's video. And let me first start off this video by saying this video is not sponsored. This was not sent PR. I bought all of these items with my own money, but I absolutely love this brand. And this is my Arctic Fox haul. We have my handy dandy nail file, so we can open the box. I'm so excited. Who's ready for all this? Who's ready? I know I am. I know I am. Take that. That's mine. You guys can't see that. But I'm so excited because today we are unboxing my Arctic Fox hair dye for the fall. Yay! And if you do not know, Arctic Fox is an indie brand owned by a chick by the name of Kristen Leanne. Shout out to you, Kristen Leanne. Your products are amazing. I absolutely love them. You can also find both of her channels. Her personal channel where she makes makeup videos and she she makes reviews. And you can also find her Arctic Fox channel in my channel bar. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell for all my notifications, and so that you can stay up to date on when I upload. Now, Arctic Fox is vegan. It is cruelty-free. There are no harmful chemicals, and their colors last forever, which is amazing. And I have actually been using her brand for about 3 years now. Since I got married, they were the colors that I bought, or her brand was the brand that I bought for my wedding. I splurged, I spent a little bit extra, and decided, let's give it a shot. And now she is the only brand of hair dye that I prefer to use because her pigments are very long lasting. And I absolutely love that. And not only that, but her formula is safe enough to use on my 5-year-old's hair. And she also has formulas that work great on unbleached hair if you don't feel like bleaching your hair. But it's safe enough, I feel comfortable enough using on my 5-year-old. So shout out to you, Kristen Leanne, if you see this video. I absolutely love your hair dyes. Now, for the color that I built everything around, this color is Phantom Green, which is by the bottle, which the bottle is usually a very good indicator of what the color is actually going to look like. We'll open it in just a second so you guys can see. But as you can tell, it is a dark green. It is semi-permanent hair color. Now, this means that it'll last slightly longer than demi-permanent. And it's a direct dye, meaning it does not need peroxide or anything to activate it. And now, for the moment of truth of how this... Where are my handy dandy tweezers? Tweezers! Oh, see? Yep. That's why you don't open it that way. That's why I prefer to get tweezers. But, as you can tell, it's actually a really pretty dark green. Oh, there are my tweezers. That's great for... We're just going to take this card. See, it is a dark green. And it is a good... Hello, can we not? It is a dark green, and it is great for transitioning into the fall. Be right back. I have to get this off. And we're back. But that is how the green looks. Absolutely gorgeous. I think I'm putting the top back... Well, maybe not. Thought about putting the top back on, but I have to get the rest of this out, so bear with me one sec. Oh yeah, that's a pretty green. A little bit of AMSR for everybody. I know, a little too loud. So her colors come in 2 sizes. They come in the 4-ounce bottle, and they also come in the 8-ounce bottle. Now, I bought an 8-ounce bottle of the pink because this color is more or less a staple of my hair colors. And all the other ones are more or less just seasonal. Now, I could argue that Violet Dream is also another staple, along with Aquamarine. However, I do like to change the tone of my colors, and I do prefer brighter purple in the summer. But we have Violet Dream, we have Virgin Pink, and the 4-ounce bottle is $7.99, I believe. And then the 8-ounce bottle is $13.99. But my husband picked out this color, the Phantom Green, which is right here, a pretty dark green. I figure I can mix this one with this one, and this one is aquamarine, which is a beautiful ocean blue type teal color. See, there it is. Oh, one sec, that was not a good shot. Let me put these down. See, it's nice teal blue, ocean blue. Now the camera's not doing these colors justice. They're actually a little bit brighter in person. But yes, I plan to mix this one with the iris with phantom green, and then I also plan to mix aquamarine with iris green. And iris green is just a lighter version of phantom green. It's not quite lime. It's more toned down for fall. But I figure it'll go nicely with the blue because I have noticed that her colors all like to blend very nicely with each other. So you can get the gradient tone from pink to purple and get the in-between color by mixing them. It does work fairly nicely. Also, she does have color diluters, so you don't have to use conditioner. If you do use conditioner, be warned that it will turn it more of a pastel color instead of the punchier color that you were liking. But Virgin Pink is one of my absolute favorite colors. This, along with Violet Dream, are two of my absolute staples. I have been doing my hair pink and purple for ever, it feels like. I would say 7 years almost. And then for the blues, we have Aquamarine and Poseidon. Or Poseidon. Poseidon. Sorry, I can't read. I really can. I promise I can read. It says Poseidon and Aquamarine. And Poseidon is this beautiful blue. Can we focus? Thank you. It's this beautiful darker blue that is going to mix fairly well with the greens and with the purple. So I'm fairly excited to do my hair. If you are interested to see my hair vlog, keep an eye out for the 15th. That's when I'm going to try and get this up, get it done. If not the 15th, then it will definitely be on the 16th that the video is up. But I'm going to try and see if I can go live on the 15th and do this and have it be a fun activity with my brother-in-law, Draco Kustos. He said he would help me that evening because my husband will be at the Iron Maiden concert. So we are going to drink adult beverages, and we are both of legal age. I do not condone underage drinking. I do not condone irresponsible drinking. If you are of age, please drink responsibly. But for the record, I am 27, so I am legal age to drink. And I'm trying to get all of these in a shot together so you guys can see how they all look together. But those are my fall colors. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, the bell, and leave comments and likes below if you can't wait to see how the final product looks on my hair. I hope you guys have a great evening, and I'll see you next time. Bye!